Hi, I'm a field CTO for Gitlab. I'm based in New Jersey. Gitlab is a company that provides a platform for any company that builds software around the world. We have Fortune 500, Fortune 100 customers down to one-person software companies. You can start our product for free or go all the way through paid tiers. And the differentiation of our product for Gitlab is that we provide a platform that takes you from idea all the way through to deployment. So if you're using some of our other competitors' products, you would need to have many tools to do that. And when you think about your developers, you pay them a lot of money and you want to make them extremely efficient in how they operate. So when you're building software, you start with an idea and you need to document that idea in a project management planning tool and then turn that into issues and items that you can turn into actual development build from an application point of view and coding. And once you've built your code, you then need to deploy that into production somehow. And for every company that's different in how they build and deploy their software, and it's a very inefficient process. And so having one platform that takes you from end to end cuts out a bunch of steps. So if you're moving from application A to application B to application C to D, as you're trying to build and deploy software, it becomes very inefficient. And developers today in any company only spend 20% of their time coding and 80% of their time trying to manage that piece of code into production and support it afterwards. So the differentiation for us as a company is we help you on that whole life cycle from build to deploy, and we're going after, from an AI product point of view, helping you take developers out of the processes they don't want to do. So vulnerability management, for example, there's very few developers actually want to work on vulnerability management, and so using AI to help you auto-remediate those things instead of them doing them themselves is where we're trying to sprinkle AI across the whole software development lifecycle. So the differentiation for us is that we're a platform end-to-end. You buy our tool, you don't need any other tools to help you build software. We still integrate with other platforms as well, things like Jira, Atlassian, but if you buy our product, you don't need to have any other products. And so we're helping small and large companies be more efficient in how they build product.